Hello guys, Murisei. Welcome to TUNZ Entertainment. Kana wangosati wa subscriber, ibva wangobaya button subscribe, then wo like, we share video, ukomenda. Nyata nayo nhasi.
I know a lot. You're one of those people who are very rude. You don't listen, aurarame life ya unoportray kuvanhu. But mahure one. But we don't talk about it. Mambo Dhuterere, your family tried to calm you down, vakazama kukubatsira kuti udzikame and stuff like that because you don't listen to anybody. You are not even clean yourself, you are not clean. But we don't talk about it not because we don't know. Unotsura nezvekuvakadzi, but you know what, are you clean? It's well known one kuti tinotozviziva kuti sekuru vako anga vaine mari vaiva. Iwewe wakanotora girlfriend yako ndiye mukadzi wawenayo. That's why she's older than you. Because anga ari girlfriend yasekuru vako. But we don't talk about it not because we don't know anything about it. We know it, but we keep quiet because we respect you. So we expect you to respect pastors also. Do the same thing. This does not give you a right to point fingers or to mock pastors. Right? I want you to understand one thing. Pastors don't serve the world. They do not serve you. Pastors don't serve you. They serve God. They are people who are under the command of God. They are under the authority of God. They are not under you. They do not follow what you say. They follow what God says. So, that's one thing that you should know, Mambo Dhuterere. Good pastors are not your servants. They are the servants of God. So, kuti vafundisi vari kupi, hamusi kuona here kuti tine corona, hakusi kuti muri vanhu vari kuda kubatsira kana kuti muri kuzwisisa kuti vafundisi vane simba, but it's a statement of mockery. Muri kutuka vafundisi. You are mocking. Muri kutuka vanhu vaMwari. But muchida kunyebera unge muri kuva concerned nekuti vakazodzwa, when you actually trying to mock them. Right? Pastors are not your servants. Vanhu vaMwari. They are servants of God, not your servants. Right? You need to understand that, Mambo Dhuterere. Hakuna cancer. Isn't it one of the deadliest diseases in the world? Vana kufa cancer. Hakuna ere mangu virus ariko, hakuna HIV and AIDS. It's there, it's all over the world. Saka sei muri kufunga kuti coronavirus yakura kudarika Mwari. Nekuti yauraya vanhu vakawandisa. It's still the same thing, it's still the virus. Vafundisi vanoporesa cancer one. Hakuna vanhu vaipora nekuda vaiporeswa cancer. Hakuna mapenzi aiporeswa nana Prophet Magaya. Mana Prophet Makandiwa vane mwe minane yavaita iri kumashuroko. Why do you want to mock pastors and prophets and apostles of God? You do not have a right. Ndakatera imwe nigirikini yandanchudzwa na Bishop kuti Bishop Musa vachindudzwa kuti there's a video yaitaura Malema achitaura kuti I do not believe in pastors. I do believe in God, but I do not believe in these thieves. Because vafundisi vakazvivharira mumadhors, that's why vasiri kuenda kumachurches. I want you to understand that the pastors are not your servants. They are servants of God. We don't talk about it. We don't talk nekuromba kwamakaita. We don't talk about your whole issues zamunoita kunyika. Mapostori akawandisa munoningirikana muno anamadzi baba vakawandisa munowanda nemasowe, but muri one of my armed robbers. It's well known, but pastors don't talk about it. We don't talk about it not because hatizvizive. Ndiani anotaura nezvekuromba kwenyu? Ndiani anotaura nezvemishonga nezvekun'anga kwamunoenda? We don't talk about it. But why unoda kunobata zvinhu zvausina basa nazvo? At least be a better voice than unoda kunobata zvinhu zvisina kana nebasa rese. If you have got money, why don't you donate my sanitizers? Buy my sanitizers, donate it in the world. You do not have a right to do that. unoisoda lose respect yako because of stupid stuff. Uda kufadza vanhu. Munoenda kung'anga, wana hatitaure nezvazvo, munoromba, wana hatitaure nezvazvo. You are one of